almost Valentine's Day. How do you feel about that?
It's okay.
It's okay. You gonna have a Valentine this year?
No, just candy.
Just candy?
Yep, that's all I care about Valentine's Day. Candy.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Daddy Dougie, and got another video coming for you guys. It is just a few days away from Valentine's Day, and me and Team Reed, we got some questions about Valentine's Day, and then also me and eBear, Miss Emerson, are gonna make some Valentine's chocolates. We got a little candy maker, and I got some leftover chocolate, so we're gonna put it to some good use. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. What do you know about Valentine's Day?
It was made in Europe.
It was started in Europe? And what else? It's okay.
I don't remember because I was in first grade.
Well, that's good. That means there's lots of stuff we can learn about Valentine's Day. Are you excited for Valentine's Day?
Yes.
Yes? Why? Because what?
Candy.
That's it? Because of candy? What about a Valentine? You gonna have a Valentine? Are you gonna have a Valentine, a special person to hang out with on Valentine's Day? Mason? What about me? You gonna be my Valentine?
I know who my Valentine is. Myself. I'm gonna hang out with myself.
You gonna have a selfie Valentine?
Yeah.
You gonna be my Valentine? I'll hang out with you on Valentine's Day. We can do cool stuff. Yeah? Yeah? Maybe? You think about it? Okay, maybe not. You excited for Valentine's Day? Why not?
It's dumb.
It's dumb? What's dumb?
Valentine's Day?
What part of it?
Everything.
Everything about Valentine's Day is dumb.
No, not getting candy at school.
What do you know about Valentine's Day?
It's a holiday.
Alright, you know how it started?
Yes.
No? Alright. That just means there's lots of room for us to learn about Valentine's Day. Guess who gets to pick that up and throw it away now?
Mason.
Nope, you do. Go. Find the trash can.
Daddy, I know how to get you less subscribers.
How?
Doing this.
Well, that's gonna scare people.
Yeah, so then they won't subscribe.
Oh, I thought this is your first time checking out one of our videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Tell a friend if any of this stuff resonates with any of you guys, or you think anyone would like this content. Share it with them. We appreciate you guys supporting us. We're still trying to grow. We're still trying to expand. And if you have any ideas of videos you want us to make, go ahead and comment that down below in the comment section, and we'll check them all out, and we'll hit you guys up, and hopefully we can make some of that stuff happen. Alright, we're back from the park. The boys are on the video game. Me and little mama right here are about to get our cook on. We're going to do our best Charlie and the Chocolate Factory impression, so let's go. Thank you, baby. You ready to make some chocolate?
Yeah!
Okay. We're gonna repurpose this chocolate football that I had left over from a Super Bowl Sunday, and we're gonna turn it into some Valentine's chocolate bears and chocolate hearts. Yep. You gonna show me how to do it?
Yeah, you put the chocolates, first you melt them and then you pour them into these bases. So then you put them in the refrigerator so they can get cold, and then you pop them out.
Yep. Okay. Alright. We gotta figure out how we're gonna break this chocolate down.
Okay. What? Break it down.
Hit it with the fork one time. You wanna try it? Give it a try, Mace. Hit it with the fork. Okay.
Whoa.
We're gonna break the fork.
Okay.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, you're doing it. Well, then that's
okay.
completed. Take these.
Smaller than that. Put some
Like this,
small
what about
pieces.
this?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah. Put some small pieces of chocolate in.
I can't. It's way too hot.
No, you got it.
This is.
No, it's already starting to melt.
It is?
Yeah. See? The ones that's touching the bottom. Stir on. Stir it slowly. Oh yeah.
I see them.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's starting to melt. Isn't this sweet? See what I did there? You like my jokes, E? Yeah, it's pretty darn melted. Keep stirring it though.
I'll give it this.
Get some more pieces.
Yeah, the chocolate is pretty good.
I like it.
Me too. That's hot. You do that hot.
Here, let me get you some. Whoa.
That one overflowed.
Yep.
Let's get it smaller than this.
Is this easy? You're really good. Did you know that? Who taught you how to make candy like this?
I just like baking.
You like baking?
Yeah.
Okay.
I made cornbread.
I love cornbread. You make that with your mama?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
I think my mom likes chocolate.
You think your mom likes them too? Okay. Can you get some to mommy? And then it'll be extra special because you can tell her you made these chocolates yourself. Mm-hmm.
Does this piece look good?
Is it starting to melt in there?
Yeah, kind of.
It might be time to. Yeah, it might be time to start stirring again. Oh yeah. Nice and chocolatey. Nice and smooth. That girl. Oh, my poor football.
Chocolate.
That's alright. Yeah, it's gonna taste way better as a chocolate heart.
Yeah.
We're pouring again?
Mhm.
Alright, here we go.
That football is way huge.
Oh, it is, yeah.
So we can eat it, do it.
Chocolate bears!
Chocolate hearts.
little bit more.
I realized what I have to.
It's coming along pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared. I thought it'd be a lot harder than it is. Yeah, no, it's not. Easy peasy.
Mason, look at the big half that broke off.
Ooh, yeah. Well, do me one favor. Go ahead. Lick the fork. Lick it. Ah.
It's hot.
Oh, and we can start getting these bad boys in the fridgie. You got it? Alrighty, there they are. Go ahead and close it. While the chocolate is getting ready in the fridge, if you guys have a favorite chocolate that you like to eat for Valentine's Day, go ahead and put that in the comments down below. And go ahead and sound off down there. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. I know for a fact I hate those little candy hearts with the sayings on them. They're disgusting. What about you? Let me know down below. Alright, stay tuned. Aw, snap. Looking good. I think they are done, yeah. Let me see. Yeah, they're looking good. Well, we're gonna pop one out. Just pop one out. And then turn it over. Let me see. Show me. Woo, you made a nice chocolate heart.
I'm actually really good at it.
Everyone can have one piece, okay?
Of each.
No, just one. Let me see yours. No, show me the other side. Okay, okay. Show me yours. Oh, you did good, E.
All these good?
Yeah.
Mine actually. I made it much done.
Yeah. Yeah.
I hope.
Good job, baby. Happy Valentine's Day! And that's how you make candy. Right, E? Alright, that's a pretty good turnout if I do say so myself. So I'm officially retiring and I'm going to open up my own chocolate shop. It's going to be called Daddy's Chocolates. Look for it popping up at a strip mall near you.